Open the box, what's inside? Little treasures, a glowing guide, a touch of magic, a spark of care. Glow and flow, let it show. Shimmer softly, let it grow. Every drop, every spray keeps the worries far away. Smooth like silk, the cream unfolds, whispering secrets, beauty untold. Bottled sunshine in your hands. Glow and flow, let it show. Shimmer softly, let it grow. Every drop, every spray keeps the worries far away. A mist of dreams, a breeze of light, soft as clouds, morning bright. It's your time, feel the glow, unbox the beauty.